Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to change the default terminal in VS Code editor. As you can see, I already opened the VS Code editor. Now first of all, we have to open the terminal. So go to view, click on terminal. So that's my terminal. You can see I'm using git bash as my default terminal. Now to change it, we have to go to view again and click on command palette. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Now here you need to type terminal, select default profile, click on it, and here you can see I'm getting a couple of options: git bash, PowerShell, command prompt. So I'll go with the command prompt for now. Just click on it. Now simply click here to kill the terminal. Now let's open it again. So now you can see the default terminal is command prompt. Now if I want to make it PowerShell, I need to follow the same process. View, command palette. So here you can see it is already showing at the top, terminal, select default profile. You can type it out or you can simply click here. From here I can pick PowerShell, kill the terminal, go to view and open the terminal again. So now you can see we are getting PowerShell here. In a similar way, if I want git bash, same process, view, command palette, select default profile for the terminal, and here it is, git bash. Select it, kill the terminal, go to view and open the terminal again. Now we got git bash. So I hope you understood how to change your default terminal in VS Code editor. I have already shown you 3 terminals: the command prompt, the git bash and the PowerShell. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.